What's good, y'all? It's your boy Steve, PutnworkSteve, back with another video. In today's video, I'm doing an unboxing on 𝐏𝐑𝐃𝐔𝐂𝐓𝐿. I am a brand ambassador, so since I am a brand ambassador, they sent me some products, so I want to show you these two products that I got right now. Let's go. Alright, so I want y'all to take a good look at both of these trimmers that I got today, and I'll explain what the names, what they got going on for themselves. Just take a look. I love the box. Check it out. I love the gold. I love the silver on both of them, but I love gold more. So let's unbox it. First thing first is, look at the gold, man. Look at the gold. This trimmer right here is called the Ultra Clean Cut Cordless Trimmer. Now let's take all the plastic out. Let's take a look at it. I'm gonna get it out. Let's take a good glance at it. And I'm gonna tell you what everything has to offer with this trimmer right here. I love that the fact that it has the red on there, 𝐏𝐑𝐃𝐈𝐑 on there. Let's think about this trimmer right here. The battery does last a long time. The battery life, it does say on the LCD panel. Plus on top of that, it lasts for up to 5 hours. It is a high-speed power motor, within the trimmer. And on top of that, it does come with a couple of accessories, like 8 pieces inside the box, if you can take a look at it. I go back and look at that box. What threw me off, but I was just like, what? I was in shock. It's waterproof. Check out the blade. But I like how the button is on there. It's a good, like, it's just good all over. Kind of remind you of the Babyless. But, you know, just take a look at it, man. This is the first trimmer that I'm showing y'all. And like I said, it comes with like 8 accessories. And for my preference of like trimmers, anything that comes with like barber, anything that comes with barber accessories, anything like that, like trimmers, clippers and stuff like that, I love the gold. I don't know, just something about the gold. It makes me feel like luxurious, like I'm on top of the world, like I'm the best barber in the world, which I am, and I know so. So I just want to be able to show y'all what I got, so that way y'all can get the same thing. Now, let's get into this next trimmer that I say that is a must-needed trimmer. This is called a Precision Blade Cordless Trimmer by 𝐏𝐑𝐃𝐔𝐂𝐓𝐿, and I cannot lie to y'all. Now, I did have it open already. I have been using it. I did do a short video on it, so hopefully y'all seen it. Those that have been following me for a while, y'all have seen the short video. But look, when I tell you this trimmer right here is really good, this trimmer is good. I can't lie to y'all. Now, it does come in all different types of colors, like black, silver, gold. I did get sent with the silver one, but I'm gonna show y'all what this trimmer does and the other trimmer does. No different. So now it's time to show y'all what both trimmers does. Now, I did have different types of ratio of clients in my chair. This is a white Caucasian male that's in my chair with straight hair, and I've been cutting this guy for a while, but as you can see with the precision blade, it does cut very clean. And also with the Ultra Clean Cut on the other side, it cuts very clean. So on straight hair, it does work. It's excellent. As you can tell, as you can see, it's cutting good. It's cutting fine cut. And I do have it very close up. I got the trimmer turned around the other way, as y'all can see. Now, I have a waver here. I'm doing a taper behind his neck, but I have the precision blade first. So as y'all can see, I have the blade turned around and I'm working with it. Then on top of that, I'm going to switch and try the Ultra Clean Cut Cordless Trimmer. As y'all can see, it does the same thing. Only thing is, I feel so that just from the back of the neck, on his type of skin and his type of hair, I feel like the Ultra Cut works way better. But then I have another client right here that's an African-American black male. He's also getting a taper too as well. But I'm using precision blade and it's cutting clean, as y'all can see close up. And it's clean. It's really clean. Like I was shocked. I'm like, yo, like this is really working. It really does work. Like, I tell y'all this right now, both trimmers is not very expensive. The Ultra Clean Cut Cordless Trimmer is only $49.99, and guess how much the precision blade is? It's only $22.99. It doesn't cost that much. When I tell y'all this, they're going my boy right there, Trent, the genius. He's also on YouTube, a big YouTuber. Shout out to my boy. I cut him all the time, every single week. But I'm telling y'all this: if you are a new barber, or if you are, just looking to get a trimmer, I'll tell y'all this right now. Both of these trimmers right here is perfect. It's best to get. I'm sitting here taking his sideburn off, his beard. He's getting a fade. Like, look how well it's worked. But now that y'all seen how I tried it on most clients, I'm gonna show y'all how it works on me, and show y'all like what it looks like for both clippers. Okay. You hear that, right? Sounds good. Sounds good. Now, let's try the other clipper. Okay. Let's try this clipper by Red by Kiss. Let's see. They both sound good. Look a little ashy, excuse me, but I'll be able to fix that. Let's try this right here. Let's try around the lip. I'll try this side first. So I like how the fact that this clipper, it works well around under the lip and on top of the lip where the line is up. And right here now, I'll be totally honest, like it got some of the hairs, but if you look, I still probably have to go back and maybe use a razor, or maybe have to use like a different sharper trimmer in order to get it, or maybe just my shaver. Maybe I'm tripping, I don't know. I mean, I can show you all right. This is one of my main clippers I use right here, the Babeless. Yeah, so that's it. Like, don't get me wrong. I love the trimmer. It's great, but I don't know. It just doesn't really get too good when you're going down. Let's try the other side with this clipper right here. This side right here. So I feel like this clipper this trimmer right here, I feel like it goes better. It does the same job. Like it did good job, but going down where my beard side is, it did a whole lot better. Like I love it. I really love it. I really love this one. So let me test this out real fast. I gotta put this mirror down because I have my other mirror right here. You can actually hear it too as well. Like it sounds real good. But take a look at it. See all the little teeny tiny hairs that's on there? So it really does work. Like, look under my neck, look ashy as heck. Need to put some lotion under there. Now let's try this one out one more last time. Reason why I'm going in different directions too, because the hair under the neck does grow in different directions, but I'm just testing out, see how well both of the trimmers work. This one works too. You can see the little hairs on there too as well, but still, it still leaves the ash marks, which I'll clean that up. I'm not going to really do too much to my head. I'm not going to shape it up. I just wanted to test it out under my neck, because I feel like these trimmers are great, especially under the neck. They're sharp, they're good, but I don't know. I feel like maybe if I was able to adjust them, because you're not able to adjust them like the proper way. But as you've seen on different other clients that I use today, like you've seen the fact that it gives a clean, sharp cut. And then that was just all different races, or like all different shades of colors of clients that I have had in my chair, and I just used it on me. So you know, these two trimmers, Red by Kiss, I tell you that it's great to use. I feel like if you cannot afford a lot of money to buy a high-end price trimmer, I feel like you should go ahead and go with Red by Kiss. There's nothing wrong with these trimmers at all. Like, I love them. I really love them. I love the company. I love Red by Kiss, and I feel like if you want to start off with something nice, start off something great, I say these are great to use. Plus, on top of that, I am now officially part of Amazon, the influencer program, so I will leave a link down below where you can buy these, or I'll just give you the link to like where you can buy it online on the actual Red by Kiss store, so that way you can buy straight from them, and you know, let them know that PutnworkSteve sends you. But look, like I told y'all, man, this is Red by Kiss, is a review. Hopefully I like it, and it works well. I gotta put something under here, some aftershave. Later on, probably like in a couple of days, I'll probably line myself up. Need to put something in my hair. I feel like my hair is dry. And I'm gonna put my wave cap on. Also, that's Red by Kiss too. Yeah, put my wave cap on. Yep. But I really do think that y'all should go buy this. Buy these two products right here, man. I really do think y'all should go buy it, because I lied to you not. They're actually excellent. They're actually good. They're good. I like, from scale to like 1 to 5, like from a star rating, I'll give them about like, both of them like a 4.5. It's not a 5, but it's like a 4.5. But I tell you this, it's worth getting both of them. Just starting off barbering, or you really can't afford, they're not very high in price, worth getting. You can get them at any local beauty supply store, any like supply store that you see, that you find. Look and ask for Red by Kiss. I guarantee they have them. If not, like I said, I'll leave both of the links down below with my Amazon affiliation program link, my storefront, and also I'll just leave it where the actual Red by Kiss site that you can buy from, and then let them know that PutnworkSteve sent you. Okay? PutnworkSteve sent you. That's it, man. So, with that being said, come on, Steve. Never forget about putting in that work. To all my workaholics, I appreciate every last one of you, and I love every last one of you, man. So, with that being said, peace.